Welcome.
Where is Omi?
Okay, I think we can start now. You're welcome to today's edition of the afternoon trading session. First of all, let's say I hope we addressed that during the morning market review. Congratulations to Nigerians. It's very possible that my voice is a bit hoarse, please bear with me. I spent a great part of yesterday evening shouting. You understand? I was shouting, and after I finished shouting, I continued shouting. The boys did very well yesterday. Did very well. I know there are many of us who don't support Nigeria, but I know that all of us will actually support Nigeria. Those who don't support Nigeria is because they just want heartbreak. Okay, so first of all, I think we had a high impact news today. That's a few minutes ago. The high impact news we had was unemployment claims. And unemployment claims came out today, came out better than expected. Adenuga, you don't support Nigeria. Yeah, don't like this thing. Adenuga, Eho Adenuga, not supporting Nigeria. Please, change your ways. Okay, so we can see the strength in the dollar. The dollar is strong, and I expect this strength to actually continue, at least to this zone here, right? I expect the dollar to continue her strength at least to this zone here, which means that we could see a further strength in the dollar, and then further fall in the counterpart of the dollar. So that said, it's really nothing. Personally, that's what I believe. Whatever retracement the dollar does, to this zone here, maybe to this zone here, I expect it to push back up towards this resistance point. Okay, so there's strength in the dollar, and we can take advantage of that. Let's look at dollar pairs and begin with GBP USD. GBP USD has actually done well. personally, I have been expecting this sell GBP. You know, the thing about the thing is that yes, last week NFP broke this structure. Okay, and for those persons who did not attend our class, for those of you who attended our session yesterday, the one we had in Lagos, we talked about the power of three. And so I was telling them yesterday that I actually expected GBP USD to sell. I did not just expect it to range so much before falling. It did all this range, range so much before falling. And so a lot of persons, me included, I was already like off the buy. But you see that GBP USD is still selling. And actually, expect GBP USD to head back towards this support zone. You understand? So I expect GBP USD to head back towards this support zone. So for me, whatever retracement it's making right now, I still expect it to fall to this place, and we still have good number of pips for GBP USD to actually cover, right? So what you can do for GBP USD is to have like a sell stop below this retracement point like this. You can have a sell stop here. Because from this zone here we have one, we have two, we have three. It's possible that GBP USD returns back up still to fall. You understand? So could have a sell stop here. I can have a sell stop at 1.25660. Okay, I can have my sell stop at 1.25660. Okay, and I can take profit at 1.25. Let's see. Let's not be too. Okay, so we can look at 20 pips from 1.25660. I can sell to 1.25470. Okay, so for GBP USD, personally, I'll be looking at that sell. The sell at 1.25660. A sell at 1.25660. Okay, so that's like considering around 20 pips of profit. Okay, so we can move on. So what about if it retraces? What do we do? What do we do if it retraces? Let's see, because I feel like whatever retracement it will do, we will still expect it to actually fall further. Okay, I would expect it to fall further. Okay, so let's see. What we are going to do is we're going to like apply we're going to apply a moving average on the chart. Okay. We're going to apply a moving average on the chart. Let me do that. Okay. So apart from my sell stop at 1.25660 and take profit at 1.25 470 or thereabout, apart from that, I could also look out for I could have a sell limit, because there's a lot of weakness in GBP compared to the dollar. Okay, so I can still have a sell limit around here. I can have a sell limit here. So apart from that my sell stop, I can have a sell limit at 1.26030. I can have a sell limit at 1.26030. So I first talked of a sell stop of from 1.25660 to around 1.25470. But I could also have a sell limit at 1.26030 and take profit at 1.25900, right? Remember that for those persons who we've taught the scalping strategy so much, and if you use the scalping strategy, first of all, you will be on a very good sell on GBP USD, right? Because we had two candles close below the 50 period moving average, and since then we've been having a sell, right? So the fact that personally I feel like we have given you guys more important information. Can't give you something like this, and I really hope that you're using it as much as possible. Okay, Good. So that's for GBP USD. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD on the 15 minutes has hit like a strong support, but there is still room for Euro USD to fall further. There's still room for Euro USD to fall further, right? Seems like, okay, if we check it, we find out that it's possible that from this zone here, this is a strong, Euro USD is closer to a strong support than GBP USD. GBP USD is not so close to HAS. You know, this is like the next support zone here. So GBP USD can still sell a bit more, but Euro USD is so close. It's so close to a very strong support. And on that strong support, it's also like oversold. I think it's oversold. So it's kind of scary to sell beyond this point. You understand? To sell beyond this point. So for Euro USD, what I will actually be looking out for is a buy limit at this zone here. I'll be setting a buy limit at this zone here. I'll be looking out for buying from this point. So I can have my buy limit at 1.07180. I can have my buy limit at 1.07180. I can have my buy limit at 1.07180. Okay, so that's 1.07180. So I can have this. I can have my buy limit at that 1.07180. Have my buy limit there. And then if I set my buy limit there, I can take profit at around 1.07380. I can take profit at around 1.07380. Okay. So for Euro USD, that's what I would expect is buy limit at 1.07180, take profit at 1.07380. Okay, that's what I would actually expect Euro USD to head towards this support and get the momentum it needs to push back up. Okay, so it's possible that from this zone here, Euro USD can go back towards the verified resistance. You understand? So we can have price ranging around this zone. Okay, so that is GBP USD, that's Euro USD. Let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY has really bought, considering the strength of the dollar. Okay, let's have a cleaner chart. So USD JPY has really gained a lot of strength in the market, but the truth is that it's around the point where retracement is making a level of retracement, but that's nothing. That's nothing, because if you look at USD JPY, you can tell that there is an uptrend that it has established here. Do you understand? So that's how it is. You have price giving a trend here, which shows that it's possible that these two bearish candles we are seeing is just a retracement for price to still head back to this proven resistance like this. You understand? So I could have my buy stop on USD JPY, considering the strength of the dollar. I could have my buy stop on USD JPY at 149.555. Have my buy stop at 149.555, and I'll be looking to take profit at 149.770. I'll be looking to take profit at 149.770. So that's my buy stop at 149.555. Take profit at 149.770 for USD JPY. If at all we're looking out for a sell on this instrument here, if I thought we're looking out for a sell, my sell will be below this particular support here. So my sell will be at 148.570. My sell will be at 148.570, and I'll be looking at taking profit at 148.320. I'll be looking at taking profit at 148.320. Okay, so that's 148.570. I'll be taking profit at 148.320. Okay, so there is still bullish, there's still strength in the dollar. I'll not be shocked if this does whatever retracement wants to do to head back up. Okay, good. Now for gold, gold has really sold. let's have a clearer chat. I was actually talking to somebody about gold this morning, and you will notice that even on 1 hour, gold gave an inverted hammer here. Gold gave an inverted hammer. I hope that we know what an inverted hammer is. This kind of candle here is an inverted hammer. If you see this kind of candle, it's a good candle for you to look out for a buy, look out for a sell. When you see this kind of candle at a resistance, see this kind of candle at a resistance, it's a good candle for you to look out for a sell. But the truth is that gold has really sold, but it's approaching a strong point. It's approaching a strong point. Just the same way the dollar index is approaching her own strong point, gold is also approaching the strong point. So for gold, I can have a buy limit. I can have a buy limit on gold. Say that if it approaches this support, I expect it to push back up. I can have a buy limit at 2013. I can have a buy limit at 2013. I can have a buy limit at 2013 for gold. Have a buy limit at 2013, and I'll be taking profit at around, from that 2013, I'll be taking profit at 2020. Buy limit 2013, take profit at 2020. Buy limit at 2013, take profit at 2020. Okay, so that is how I will trade gold. Buy limit at 2013, take profit at 2020. Okay, that's a buy limit. I expect that whatever sell gold will do towards this place, it should launch back up. And that's why I'm hoping to take a buy from this place. We take profit around here. So my buy limit at 2013, on this point here, I have 2013.90. Then take profit at 2020 point, maybe 70, thereabout. You understand? Okay, so that's for gold. In terms of a buy, let's say price doesn't hit our sell and our buy limit and heads up. Okay, in terms of a buy, what we are going to do is, if you look at this trade like this is the first low, because from here price retraced, and this is another low because from here price retraced, right? So what I'm going to do is, my buy stop will be above the second low. Okay, my buy stop will be above that point, and I'll be taking profit just around here. So my buy stop will be at 2026, take profit at 2029. My buy stop will be at 2026, take profit at 2029. Okay, buy stop at 2026, take profit at 2029. While my buy limit at 2013, take profit at 2020. Okay, that's gold. Now let's look at US 100. Okay, so this is US 2000, US 100, and you will notice that from this US 100 like this, you already have an uptrend that you can actually notice that is quite visible here. US 100 has been maintaining that uptrend, and we've talked about how that the best thing to do, when I was talking with us last week, I said the best thing to do is to be looking out for buy opportunities from support zones. The best thing to do when trading US 100 and the indices is to be looking out for buy opportunities from support zones, and that is what US 100 has been doing. Head towards this support zone, push back up, head towards the support zone, push back up, head towards the support zone, push back up, right? The market has been doing that because it is on an uptrend, and there is a lot of bullish pressure in the market. There's a lot of bullish pressure in the market. Okay, so if you're taking a trade on US 100, there are two ways I will expect you to trade this. Two ways I expect you to take this trade. Number one, we can look out for a buy limit around here. We can look out for a buy limit at that zone there. Let me give us the zone. We can look out for a buy limit at around 17,777. Can look out for a buy limit at 17,777. Can look out for a buy limit at 17,777. And when I do that, I can consider take profit at around 17,800. Can take profit at around 17,800. Can take profit at around 17,800. Now, if he cannot, if he doesn't, instead he heads fully upwards. If he heads fully upwards, you can see that this place is a strong resistance, a proven resistance, a strong resistance point, right? Good. So after my buy limit, I have my buy limit at 17,777. Take profit at 17,800. So I can also have my sell limit at 17,880. I can have my sell limit at 17,880. I can have my sell limit at 17,880, 17,880. And then I can have my take profit at 17,860. So 17,880 to 17,860. So I can have a sell limit at 17,880, take profit at 17,860. Have a buy limit at 17,777 and take profit at 17,800. 17,800. Okay, so that's how that's why our advice, those are entry, those are places our advice that you look out for entering the market. You see that we have looked out for entering a buy around this verified support. Okay, we looked out for entering a sell around this verified resistance. For the person who's asking about stop loss, number one, is a very capital instrument, so you want to be very careful. If you're setting any stop loss, you can just set your stop loss. If this is your entry point at this resistance, you can set your stop loss on 10 or 15 pips away, 15 pips at least away. You understand? So and the same thing for the sell limit. Okay, you can have a sell at this point here like this. This is your sell limit. Your stop loss can be around 15 pips away or thereabouts. Okay, but understand that if you're using stop loss, it's your style. So if it's your style, yeah, you can definitely use stop loss. Most times when you're giving pending other trades like this, you can just do stop loss of around 15 pips. Generally, you can do stop loss of around 15 pips or 20 pips, right? Good. For any instrument I've done, I might not be going back to it though. Okay. So maybe when we are done and I'm refreshing, but as it is now, forward, I'm going forward because there are other instruments we have to look at. So we've looked at US 100. I'm going to consider US 500. Or let me look at US 2000. Okay, good. So this is US 2000. US 2000 has actually retraced more than the others. It has really fallen more than the others. We have price just being rejected left, right, and center. Okay. But the truth is that if you check US 2000, let's look at it on the daily time frame and see how yesterday's candle closed. This yesterday's candle, it's not really an inverted hammer, it's not an inverted hammer, but it seems like US 2000 is beginning to pull back its weight in terms of trading in a bullish manner, right? Good. So you notice this, my trend lines, there's something price has done. Around this trend line, price has done a bearish engulfing. Look at it, a bearish engulfing. So that means price has given a bearish candle that completely covers the bullish candle, right? So what we can do is actually look out for a sell beneath this place here. Can look out for a sell beneath that point there. You understand? So if you have your sell, you can have your sell stop at 1953. Can have your sell stop at 1953 and you can take profit at 1951. And I'm not giving us so much profit around that place because that place is close to a support zone. So you can take your sell at 1953, take profit at 1951. Okay. And by extension, if price continues to fall, then you can now consider 1948. You can now consider 1948. And now consider 1948. Okay, that's for US 2000. Okay, then in terms of if it pushes up, you can see that there is a strong resistance at this point here, right? There's a strong resistance here, so we can look out for using that resistance a kind of, pullback point, kind of pullback or retracement point. So I can have my sell limit at around, 1971. I can have my sell limit at around 1971. And if I do that, I should be looking at taking profit at around 1968. 1968. So you see, I have my sell stop at 1953, take profit at 1951, and a further take profit at 1948. But my sell limit, I have my sell limit at 1971. I have my sell limit at 1971, and then take profit at around 1968. Around 1968. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on to oil. Well, this is oil. I'll begin with the weekly time frame. We'll begin with the weekly time frame. Or no, daily actually. And you see how oil has been progressing. Oil has been giving us a bullish run. Oil has been giving us a bullish run, and so seems like, although even on the daily time frame here, oil seems like it's at a resistance point. It seems like it's at a resistance point. So the thing now is that if I mark this place here on the daily time frame, you can easily tell what it looks like on 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, we see it's ranging around here. Okay, so if you use your trend line, you can tell the positive movement that oil has been making at the 80 zone, but it is currently at a resistance zone. From where I put this horizontal line even to here is a resistance point. Okay, all those zones are resistance points, so we can easily pick our buy stop and our sell stop from here. You'll notice that, oh, let me zoom in, sorry. Okay, good, better. So you notice that with the way oil has really bought, there's a high chance that can get some further retracement even before, although this is where oil is headed. Oil is headed to the 81.45 zone. Oil is headed to that 81.45 zone. So we already have that buy pushing up, right? We already have that buy pushing up. We could take advantage of that if that continues. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have my buy entry at around 80.70. My buy entry at 80.70, and I'll be coming out at 81.15. I'll be coming out at 81.15. Okay, so that is 80 point. Oh, okay. Let me adjust that a bit. We already have it at a verified resistance. We have it at a verified resistance here. So let's say at 80.90, I buy at 80 point. But hold on, the truth is, as I was telling the guys that attended class yesterday, that most times I have a problem with setting a buy pending order very close to a verified resistance or a verified support. So even that my buy order is going higher than that, my buy order is going higher because I don't want to place a pending order close to this point here. Around this point, any retracement can come at any time. You understand? Any retracement can come at any time. So I can have it at 81.70 and I take profit at 82.30. I can have my buy at 81.70, take profit at 82.30. You understand? I can do that. But what I will do is, and I really wish we have people who are not really dependent on oil, because what I want to do now is I want to beg us. You see this verified resistance where it is. Watch out for candlestick patterns. Once you get any inverted hammer around here, any bearish engulfing around here, it will be a sign that oil is about to head further down. But you can have your buy stop at 81.70 and take profit at 82.30. Okay, you can have it at 81.70 and take profit at 82.30. Okay, that's what I would advise. Okay, so it's 3:30 already. Let's see what we have. Remember that for US 100 we gave a buy limit at 17,777. Take profit at 17,800. Then we have a sell limit at 17,870. Take profit at 17,860. Okay. Oh, Gold has hit. Oh wow. Oh, that's good. Congratulations, guys. That's cool. So most likely with this momentum remember that we still have a buy limit on 2013. Okay, because you see the dollar is doing a kind of retracement. Okay, and that retracement does not mean he's selling. It's possible that he heads back towards this zone. Okay, but we'll watch it and see what it does. Watch it and see what it does. GBP USD, what did we give for GBP USD? I think we gave a sell stop. We gave a sell stop at 1.25660, and we gave a sell limit. We gave a sell limit at 1.26030, right? Give a sell limit at 1.26030. So most likely it should get to our sell limit, right? But currently GBP USD is kind of pushing upward because of the seeming weakness of the dollar. Doesn't mean that personally I still feel the dollar is strong. You understand? So this buy that is doing might be a retracement, might just be a retracement, just like it did here, for price to head further downward. So we have our sell stop at 1.25660, and we even have a sell limit at 1.26030. Okay. Euro USD also, we have a buy limit here, but you see the problem is we have a buy limit down here, but price did not get there before it's pushing up. Sometimes it can be annoying like that, but like I always preach to us, I say the best thing to do is to enter at support and resistance zones, right? The best thing to do is to enter support and resistance zones. So if this buy is going to continue, let me see how many pips we have from here to here. If it is not good enough, I will not give it. Okay, we have about 16 pips from this zone like this. Okay, so we can have a buy stop on Euro USD. If price is coming back to test this verified resistance here, can have a buy stop on Euro USD at 1.07660. 1.07660. Can have a buy stop there and then take profit at 1.0790. So we can have a buy stop on Euro USD at 1.07660. 1.07660, right? And then take profit at 1.07796. Okay, so this is where the last retracement got to. This is the last retracement. If price closes above this place here, if price closes above this, what that means is that price has broken structure. If price breaks that structure, it's possible that this buy will likely continue. You understand? Even our GBP USD that is racing towards this place like this. Remember that we have a sell limit at this point here, right? We have a sell limit at this point. For US 2000, for US 2000, we have a sell stop at 1953 and take profit at 1951, right? Good. That's it. Guys, please let me. So the only trade that has. No, you can leave the Euro USD buy limit. You can leave, as long as the most important thing, if you're leaving, they say you are not there to monitor your trade. You're not there to check the trade. And here you can close those pending orders. But as long as you are available, you're on your chart, you can leave those pending orders. You understand? But the moment you feel or the moment you see that I will not be available, it's better you close those pending orders, right? For the gold, you can close the buy limit. You can close the buy limit. You can close the buy limit trade. Like I said, if you are available to monitor it, fine. It's not a matter of, I just went out, I came back and the thing has, you understand? So that's the, what will I say now? That's the clause, the only clause that should make you keep it. Now, guys, please, very important notice. We'll be having a very important program tomorrow. We'll have close to 100 persons here. For those of us that are in Lagos, Lagos, you guys have been enjoying. Yesterday we had a special training, and tomorrow we're still having it. But for others, we're coming. We're actually coming. Don't worry about it. Okay. So please listen to the following announcements, guys. We have very important programs in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, and in Ibadan tomorrow, even Lagos. So for Lagos, tomorrow we'll be having something that we call the AI Invasion Conference. We're going to be talking about how to use AI in trading. And by that, we are referring to automated trading. Automated trading. Many of you have at one point or the other reached out to me about how you were interested in automated trading and all that. Okay. But we'll be having it live and direct. It's not online, but we'll try and create something for those of us outside the country. Okay. So we are trying our best to make sure that you can take advantage of the AI what will I call it now? The AI bubble. You know, a lot of persons are into AI now, and this is an opportunity. So tomorrow at Wright House, 43 Adeniyi Jones will be having that event by 10 a.m. Tomorrow at Wright House, 43 Adeniyi Jones, Ikeja, we will be having it. In Abuja is 15th. In Abuja is 15th. In Ibadan is also 15th. That's next week. So we'll be doing it next week, okay? In Abuja. But for Lagos and for Port Harcourt, for those of us in Lagos and Port Harcourt, we will be having that program tomorrow. In Lagos, we'll be having it at Adeniyi Jones, Ikeja, number 43, that's Wright House. In Port Harcourt, we'll be having it at City View Plaza. Be having it at our office, our office now, City View Plaza, Aba Road. Okay, so that's what we'll be having for Lagos and Port Harcourt tomorrow. Now, for Abuja tomorrow, there's something very special that we'll be doing tomorrow. Okay, for those persons who are not, we have it's a 1-day program. Yes, newbies are to come also, because the thing about AI is that you don't even need so much knowledge. The system will be trading for you. You understand? So you can come. So it's a physical program, so you can actually come. Even newbies can come. But listen, Abuja guys, for those of us in Abuja, tomorrow you'll be having a program at the office. Okay, those of us at Abuja, tomorrow we'll be having a program at the office. What will you be doing tomorrow? We'll be having what we call a VIP upgrade. So you have a one-time opportunity, VIP upgrade. Just tomorrow, you can become a VIP. Just tomorrow, you can become a VIP. And how? How do you become a VIP? What we are going to do is that you can upgrade your account to VIP. That's just going to be for tomorrow for Abuja people. Only those in Abuja, because you have to do it at the office physically. You can upgrade your account to VIP. What does that mean? If somebody has 200,000 naira in his account, he can fund up to 400 or 500, 400 to become a VIP. So once your balance is at least 600, you can attend the class. Okay, so there will be that special class for you tomorrow at our office, fifth floor, Casina House, by 11 a.m. Okay, so these are the programs that we actually have tomorrow. VIP upgrade at our Abuja office. Upgrade your account to at least 600,000 to join that class. Then for Lagos and Port Harcourt, tomorrow we'll be having the robot training, the AI training. Okay, so just try and make it a date with us. Just learn how the opportunity works and see if it is something that you can actually take advantage of. So for Lagos, it will be happening at our office, 43 Adeniyi Jones, by 10 a.m. Okay. And then for Port Harcourt, it will be happening also at our office, second floor, City View Plaza. That is at Aba Road. Okay, Aba Road. That's Aba Road is beside Market Junction. So we'll be looking forward to having you guys there. Okay. Don't worry. For those of you that are not in this place we talked about, we are actually arranging things for you. We have decided that we'll be having physical trainings, and some of us who you hear over the internet taking these classes will be coming in person. For instance, yesterday I was able to meet some persons and they saw me physically. We had about 3 hours, and it was a great class. It was a great class. So actually plan to come to our outstation. So we have plans for this month of February, even in the month of March. We'll be coming Ilorin, Osogbo, Enugu, Uyo, Ekiti, Akure will be coming for those special sessions. Okay, so look forward to having. Yes, it's for everybody. Okay, it's for everybody. Well, so guys, what we need to do now is to watch the trades that we actually have. Our currency trades are yet to actually pick up. You know, our currency trades are yet to pick up, but we can actually just monitor it, follow it up. US 2000, guys, US 2000 has actually triggered. US 2000 has actually triggered. Okay, so please monitor it. You know that instrument is a very strong instrument. You just monitor it. I think right now, for those who actually took the trade, you'll be in profit. For those who took the US 2000 trade, you will be in profit. So only gold and US 2000 has actually done well. The rest are here to trigger. So it means that you need to monitor them properly with proper risk management. Okay. So that is the much that will be taken today. Do not forget that tomorrow we'll be here again in the morning by 8 a.m. with this same link. Oh, Nancy, congratulations. So, guys, thank you so much for your time. God bless you all. I want to wish you a very profitable day. Don't forget that if you are not able to take any trade here, it doesn't mean the world has ended. Have our WhatsApp channel where you'll be getting trades. And also, we have strategies that we have given. You can go to our YouTube channel, look out for our scalping strategy, and then take advantage of it. Okay. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. God bless you all.